Here we are at the tracks. I'm going to let you look at the track. So just to show you I'm here, see? Hi! Okay, so we're going to put this so you can see the tracks and stuff. So basically we're just doing a little raptor box because last time I was here, they said they wanted me to come back so they could talk to me a little bit. So that's what we're going to do. Hello, Spirits. Hey, how are you? How many spirits are here because of the train? How many spirits or how many people died because of a train accident that are here? Two? Well, 13 all? Okay, so 13 in all. But there's 2 here right now. Yes, okay. So who am I speaking to? Excuse me? I said, who am I speaking to? Joseph. Hello, Joseph. Hey. How are you, Joseph? You have fear and you're sad. Why, Joseph? Hello. How come you're upset, Joseph? Well, beside the obvious that you died, of course, why are you upset? You wanna talk about it? Yeah? Okay, so why are you upset? Statistic? Did you say statistic? Yeah? What do you mean statistic? Stereotype. You think your death was a stereotype? That's it, you see? Yeah? Why was it a stereotype? Drunk? You were drunk? You see? You were drunk and you corrupted the people? So you're afraid that you fell into a stereotype? Yeah? Oh, that's sad, Joseph. So what stereotype are we talking about? What stereotype are you trying to avoid, Joseph? Drunk Indian. Is that what you said? That's what I heard. Drunk Indian? Yeah? Oh, Joseph, I don't think anyone's really thinking that. You know, sometimes people get drunk and do silly things, and so what happened? You just passed out, or what were you doing? You were taking the train. Oh. So where were you going? So you were drinking, you jumped on a train, you were heading where? Were you coming to Thunder Bay or going out of Thunder Bay? In town or out of town? Out? So you were heading out of town? So where were you going, Joseph? Where were you going? So you were drinking, thought, well, I'll just jump the train, go visit some relatives. Yeah? And you were going to which town? Green Bay? Ah, so you're going over to Green Bay. Ah. So what happened? You got jumped? What, someone jumped you on your train for your money and your bottle? Oh. So you got robbed when you were trying to hop the train? You got jumped? Pretty much? Yeah? So what they do, throw you off? Some guy named Jim? Some guy named Jim, huh? That's right? So they threw you off the train and then you met your demise. Well, I'm sorry to hear that, brother. Hey, you're beautiful the way you are, okay? Joseph? You're welcome. Listen, we all fall on hard times. We all have rough goes. We all do stupid shit. You know. Everybody. Even me, yes. Even you, yes. Even me. I do lots of stupid shit. That's why Christina says I can't be unsupervised. Christina and my daughter Tiffany say don't leave him unsupervised. Yeah, you like that, did you? Anyway, listen. It's sad that it happened, but it doesn't make you any less of an important spiritual being, okay? You're welcome. He said thank you. You're welcome. You're all good, Joseph. Don't get stuck here because you feel something that doesn't even apply. Okay? I'm 100% sure anyone who knows you or anyone who still misses you because of you, right? But you hear the other spirits, they're all saying that's right. Is that right, spirits? They don't think about the how and the when, they just think about, damn it, he's gone, right? All right, Joseph, so I hope this brings you some peace. It did? That's good. All right. Okay, Joseph, be blessed. All right, we're going to shut this off for a sec. So apparently Joseph was having a few drinks. He was having a good time, basically. Decided he wanted to go, I think he said Green Bay. Which there is a town, it's Green Bay or something, that you would have to use this track to get to. So it does fit. Um, but he said he was going to see family, and but when he got on the train, there was some other people on the train in the boxcars or whatever that wanted his booze and his money. So they took it from him and they pushed him off the train, which resulted in him uh, dying. So, but he didn't want to be remembered as a statistic or as a um, what do you call that? Social. Can't remember the word, but hopefully he got a chance to tell the story, and hopefully he realizes that the people that miss him aren't going to think about all that shit. You know, they're just going to say, "Geez, we wish you were here, Joseph," and they'll miss all the kind stuff and the nice things that he was, what he did. You know, because no matter who you are, there is always family or a friend or somebody um, that sees the good in you, and even if you don't see it. So hopefully that brings him some peace, so he can maybe catch a train and go somewhere else from here. At least I hope so. On the other side of it, it is a very beautiful spot too. So you know, it is a nice area, and I hope he has a good future. Anyway, maybe we'll see if there's anybody else. We'll check one more time and see if we get any other stories, and then I'm going to call it a day. If you enjoyed this cinema, put a comment down below. And if you're new here, hey, welcome. I hope you'll come back. Um, yeah. Don't forget to roll each other's bones. If you see someone in the comment, obviously they're family of some sort. So if they're good enough to watch a cinema, go roll their bones and say hi to them and tell them that, oh, I seen your name over on Jason Bones' Specters channel. So I thought I'd roll your bones and say hello. So until next time, blessings, take care. We'll see you later. And don't forget, take care of yourselves. Take care of your family. Watch out for ghosts. And have a great night. And we'll talk to you later. Bye.